In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on OPay, and this is basically for OPay users. So let's dive in. So now we're going to do is open our OPay. Now let me just search OPay here for a quick access. Click on your OPay account. You can see there's the account. So if you want to switch your account in this interface now, so now don't use your fingerprint to log in yet, just wait for it. Just tap on the phone and you see your switch account here. Sorry guys, let me show my tab. You can see switch account is there. You can see, just click on switch account, and this is it. Just click the number here and insert the number you want to switch, or you can use more than one, or more than two, more than three, more than four OPay account on just one single phone. Just insert the number and the password. Here you can see, and click on login. Just make sure you type in the correct password. Click on login, and you can say I've logged into another account. You can say. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, subscribe, and you can drop comment on any tutorial you would like me to touch. Thank you guys.